Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're at the beach. And yeah, so we're like the second people out of my family that got here, so we're gonna wait for the rest. And yeah, so we're gonna wait for them to get here, and like we haven't seen like our uncle for a long time, so he's gonna be coming too. And because he like lives in Texas, so yeah, he's coming. And then like we'll like go around the beach and stuff. So yeah, it'll be fun. So right now, he doesn't want to go to the beach right now, but we'll go soon. So.
Cool. Matata. I mean, no worry. Go. Get off your phone and go.
And there's this airplane up there with the banner. We're at the beach today, so yeah. So we're here at the beach. The water. So pretty. Birds. Ooh, the water's cold. It's so cold now. Oh my gosh. Just a little cold. The water is so clear. Is fantastic behind me, and I'm like in the water. So yeah, my hair's like messed up because I came down here earlier, but like yeah, I kind of like fell into the water. So yeah, so like I swam down here too. So yeah, it's fun. It's beautiful out here too. And then there's the sand behind me, and there's the water I'm in. Yeah. I'll be taking more videos like throughout, like with my family members and stuff. And yeah.
Well, not with me.
I'm kind of good. Hey guys, so we just went back to the water, and like I got like super cold and everything, so I went to go rinse off. So like that was the last time getting in the water, and right now it is 6:01. So yeah, so I changed into like relaxing clothes, and now we're just hanging out with the family at the beach. Still at the beach. I'm in the parking lot. Went to go get my phone. So yeah, and change into a sweater. So that's fun. So yeah, so now we're just gonna hang out with the family. I'll take videos of my family. I'll just everywhere. Yep. Oh my gosh.
Are you
This
recording a video? Oh my gosh, I'm smiling.
Woo! That's the end of this vlog. vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be
gotta
sure
have
to like,
everything
comment,
done.
and subscribe. And bye. Wait till next time.